Holy moly.
Sunday. We just got back. And there's a deer.
Oh dear. Can't see him very clearly with my net on. Look.
Zoom in.
I am. Hello dear. Oh dear, oh dear, dear.
It's Bambi's mom, Brianna.
I know.
Hello.
Hello, this is Bridger.
Hello, we're practicing our rappels today.
Yeah, on the walk wall.
On the walk wall.
And look, there is the good looking Nicholas. Oh yeah, he has lots of hardware on his booty. Here, I zoom in on it so you can see. Here, look, look.
Yeah?
Shake your booty for us, Nick.
Hey, we're getting Stephen ready to
Shake your boot for the camera. Hi, Levi!
Hi.
Say hi, hello to YouTube.
Say hello to YouTube. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Wide feet.
Wide feet, because if you tip over, I don't got you.
That's good.
Now, if you land on my head like Bridger did, I will punch you in the face.
Hey, that was not very nice to do.
Fly.
The bug got him.
The fly.
Say hello again.
Hello again.
This is Steven. He's rappelling. He's doing very good. Look at him. Oh yes. Oh yes. And look, there he goes. Oh, there he
I was
goes.
done faster than you.
Did you get it? We will move on as soon as you get this. So if you want him to get it faster, help him.
Oh my gosh, this kid's
Spock is teaching a fishing class, and all these kids are in the fishing class.
This kid right here is not getting
The
any of this.
fishing class. The fishing. Hi. There's a kid hiding under there. Hi, hiding kid.
That's the kid.
How's it
That's
going?
the kid he's not getting.
Okay.
I'm from climbing.
Yep, he's from climbing. Okay.
Santa.
Santa.
Oh, I have one number that I really
Okay,
like.
bye bye.
Hi Nick.
Hi, Brianna. We're out on a Wednesday night date time.
Wednesday night, quadruple date.
Yep. With Reed and his wife also. We're you guys are gonna be on YouTube. I hope that's okay. And it's raining right now.
But look.
And I don't know if you can see it, but there's one rainbow, and kind of see the second one right there. It goes all the way. It's really cool. Rainbow, double rainbow, hooray!
The video camera doesn't do it justice. It's beautiful. Justice.
Justice. Brianna can't speak either. Yay!
crazy.
It's nice mood lighting. Here, zoom in.
See Eileen's face? You're like.
This is what I wanted.
Ah.
Okay, who wants some ribs?
Yummy. Here's mine.
Thank you very much.
Hey Nick. Yay. Hey Nick.
That smells good. So now this is Melissa's plate. It's ginormous. Oh, holy cows. Then there's a second plate over there. That's all for Melissa.
Wow.
It may not look good, it may not be standing fully. It's standing on its own right now. They did it.
Woo.
That is the requirement to the letter. May not look good, may not work well, it works.
Let's see what it is. It appears to be A-framed on the sides and a spinny thing in the middle. Very exciting. Brianna, what are you doing?
I'm making a cage
Why would you make a cage?
for Steiny the monkey.
Well, as long as it's not for me.
I don't think it could fit inside this cage.
No, that's kind of small. Brianna, you got some white stuff on your face. What's that from? Oh my goodness, it's a hamburger. Pager number 48, your food is ready. Here we are at the end of another week. Going to my dad's house. And it was a fun week. We only have 3 weeks left now. We'll try and get more variety of stuff. I just feel like we haven't really done a really variety of things, just kind of like our stuff. Try and get more variety. Anyways, bye everybody.
I'll show you the train.
Goodbye. Look, a Harry Potter train.
I know. Remember, I showed this to you when we went here last year.
I know. The Hogwarts. And the little people saying hi. And all this fun stuff.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.